Hey everyone, today we are going to be dealing with a MacBook charger that is already having a little issue. Let's just check. Here we can see this the cord, that's the output cord, is already having some bridges and all that. So we are going to get it, cleaned up and get it properly positioned. It has been opened, and the work that is needed to be done will be done right now to fix the issue. Okay, so that will be resolved any moment from now. So let me just fix this ones back because I won't have any reason to take this off. My work has got nothing to do with this part. Let me just position this properly so that I won't have any reason to fixing it when I'm done fixing. So our focus is here. So try and see how we can lift this up, remove this casing. Okay, get this casing removed from it. There are some gums underneath it that is keeping it stuck to it. So remove it. Yeah, that has been removed. Okay, now what next to do is to access the point where the cable is soldered to the board so that it can be you know worked on. So now these are the two terminals, the positive and the negative is already removed. So it's broken off. So we have to take off all of this so that we can access the under. Take all of this off. Take all of this off so that we can access the PCB. Okay. Usually MacBook usually package their stuffs such that we won't have any reason to open it. Once it has an issue, you don't want it tampered with. Want it, bring it for repairs, or you go and buy another one. They're only protecting their device, their brand rather. So this is removed. Yeah. So now we'll gain access to the soldering on the board. So this is the positive terminal and the negative. As ground. Check it very well. Check it. So what we will do is just to cut this off, or cut this off. Then prepare it afresh. How do you do that? How to get the cable. Now I want to peel this cable. Just do it with the blade. Just do it round it. Make sure that cuts round. So you can see how that has opened it. Now there's a shield around it. So this is the ground, while this one at the center is a positive. Okay, that's positive. So let us check the diode reading of the charger. Now look at what the multimeter will give us. Now this is let's check. All right. So beep there you can hear that beeping sound. So now let's check it. Positive to the ground to the negative. Positive probe to the negative to the ground of the cable of the charger. Then this to it. Let's just check if it has. So now let's check the continuity of the cable. Very important. Oh, sorry, that has been detached. It's already detached from it. So let's just check. I was going to ask us. I wanted to check if the car they meet the okay. So how do you know the ground? Very easy. The ground is expected to have a beeping sound with the negative of the capacitor. So where is the negative of the capacitor? Which is this one. And that's this one. I'm not getting I'm not getting that sound from you. I am not. I'm not. I am not. Okay, let's try it again. So actually what I'm trying to do, just trying to see if I can I want to check the health of the charger and know if the charger is in good condition even before fixing this. Then also to know the polarity. This obviously is a fuse. The fuse is good, so that's close to the positive coming out. Voltage ground. Trying to see what is written on the PC. Okay, voltage out. That's VO. You can see VO voltage out. Why this is the ground. Ground. So that means this one will come to this is the ground. Why this is the positive. So that must not be interchanged, otherwise the device can get damaged. Is that okay? So I'll try and see if I can remove the previous soldering. Oh, my multimeter, my soldering iron is already disconnected from power. Now it's connected again. And let's just wait for a while. So the spots, that point where we'll connect the cable to the PCB is already desoldered and it's having that hole right now. So I'll quickly insert this. This is the ground, like we're able to discover the other time. That's the ground. And this is the so put in the cable. So let's so the two terminals are now connected together. So let us check for bridge. So if there is a bridge to make a sound. So that is correct. So we'll now package this back into its casing. So sealed, then this cannot actually come out. Now let's check if the AC is actually supplying to the there's an AC voltage. Check the screen. There's 230 volts. There's 230 volts. Check the screen very well. It's 230 volts. Now let's see what that value gives us. Now look at the screen. The output voltage of the charger. That's what we want to test right now. So let's see it together. But I don't know if this is what the 6.6. Let me turn it this way. Not us to see it. That's why I'm doing the meter this way. That to be seen properly. Now it's giving 2.2 volts. 2.2 volts, 6.6 volt rather. 6.6 volts. And then that's what the output is giving us after cable was changed. The cable was repaired. Okay. Um, so as for us to have a very good packaging for the charger, haven't opened it. So there's a need for us to block this hole here. And I'm going to be engaging the workstation and the hot glue. So I'll quickly get that fixed now. The hot glue needs to get molten. Then that will be applied to that hole to block everything. I'm sure that will put a smile on the face of the client that his charger is still presentable. So I'm sure you can see what I'm doing. Trying to if you can't see properly, I'll show us the outcome. Just trying to put it to seal the hole. think I need to add some more glue to it. So let's see. So once it cools off, so just allow it to cool off, and then all right. All right. I asked the client to come with the system in order to be sure the status of the charger that was fixed the previous time. I was testing and I was getting 6.6. I want to believe my multimeter was bad. I think it needs to be attended to. I will check again. You know, sometimes I get 16, and at another time I'll be having 6.6. Now I'm having a different voltage. So I wanted to be sure the charger is in a good state. So I asked the client to come with the MacBook system. And then here is the system. I will check now and see if the charger is already fixed to be plugged in now. And let's check if the indicator comes on. Alright, can we see the indicator? The green light indicator. And then it turns orange, the amber light showing that the battery is being charged. So that goes to tell us the charger is fixed, and then my multimeter needs to be attended to. So once again, this is Nitty-Gritty Electronic Repairs. If this video has added to you in any way, please like, comment, and share our video. For much more, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.